Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the Fall Thrift Store Flip hosted by the Holiday Cookie Diva. My thrift store item is this hat and pumpkin thingy. I found it in the thrift store because over here we don't get this kind of stuff. What we get is a smaller kind of hat on the dollar store. So someone from the States bought it and take it to my thrift store. I bought it for like 10 cents or something like that, and she asked us to take something from the thrift store and just change it to something else, or spruce it up, or flip it, just something that needed a little bit of love, and this needs a lot of love. So what I will be doing, I will be taking off all of this off camera. I will be taking all of this and then I'm turning this into a cornucopia. I'm going to take off this and then I'm showing you what materials we are using. Alright, I just taken off everything. As you can see, we ended up with a skeleton of the shape that we wanted. This was the pumpkin and this is the hat. Now what I'm doing is I'm flipping this like this, and this would be our cornucopia, and this would be the place where we would put pumpkins and flowers and some raffia and some leaves and some of these acorns and these pine cones. Now we're changing this, and for that we need, I have this Walmart burlap tape. It's a 2 inches width tape that I will be covering up this part with this tape. For this, I know this have a sticky side, but I will use also my glue gun and glue sticks, Gorilla Glue ones. I have this lace, I don't know if I will be using it, also from Walmart. I have these pumpkins from a bag of pumpkins of Walmart. I DIY these ones with a pack that I bought from eBay, and I just painted them and put a stick on top. I have some sunflowers, some leftover leaves, acorns, pine cones, and raffia. So let's get started. We're gonna start by cutting our burlap tape in the middle, because we are using just half of our burlap tape because it's too wide for our shape. And with that being said, we're gonna start here. As you can see, I have to turn this downside because we are getting to the top and this is getting smaller and it's getting harder to put my burlap over here. Now we're going to continue and we're going to start twisting it so we can fit it. Okay, now we have the end of our cornucopia done, and you will ask what we're gonna do here. What we're gonna do here is that I have some burlap fabric, and I'm cutting some burlap fabric, making a braid and putting that braid over here. Let me show you. We're gonna get our base first. We're gonna take our leaves. What we're gonna do for our base is that we're cutting some leaves and we're filling this part off with leaves. because we need a base to start our arrangement. And as you can see, this is all open, and we cannot put our flowers or pumpkins over there because it's open and won't get them. So we're cutting our leaves and filling this part with them. This is how it looks. We're gonna clean those glue strings from it so we can put our braid here and start building our cornucopia. This is just the base. Our braid isn't looking too good. And for this, we can use the whole tape and put it right here. As the braid doesn't look that good, we can use our tape and just put it here, and I think that's the way we're gonna go. And now that we have our base all glued, as you can see, here we have it. This is how it turned out after we put everything on our base, because we're not calling it anymore a pumpkin and a hat. Okay, let's start decorating. And this is how our cornucopia turned out. As you can see, here's the close-up of the ornaments. This is how it looks. In the description box down below, you're gonna find a link for the playlist and also to our host channel. I want to take the opportunity to thank Tracey for everything. I had lots of fun on these challenges, and I love everything I created. Thank you, Tracey, and as I said before, I admire you for everything you do for us. Thank you, and you're an awesome creator. Go there and show her some love. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye.